Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make chunky blue cheese dressing. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 ounces of your favorite blue cheese, a half cup of mayonnaise, and a 1/4 cup of sour cream or Greek yogurt. Don't forget a splash of buttermilk, a teaspoon of white wine vinegar, and some fresh garlic. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious result for your salads or wings. Now, let's create the creamy base for our dressing. In a medium bowl, combine your half cup of mayonnaise with the 1/4 cup of sour cream or Greek yogurt. Gradually whisk in about 2 tablespoons of buttermilk until the mixture is smooth. Next, add 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar and 1 finely minced garlic clove. This combination forms a rich and tangy foundation, perfectly balancing the strong flavor of the blue cheese. This is where the chunky magic happens. Take about 3 ounces of your blue cheese and crumble it directly into your creamy base. Use a fork or your hands to break it into varying sizes, ensuring some larger pieces remain. Gently fold the cheese into the mixture, being careful not to overmix. We want those distinct blue cheese pockets throughout the dressing. This step is crucial for achieving that satisfying texture and intense flavor. To finish, season your dressing with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Taste and adjust as needed. You might want a little more tang or salt. Now, stir in the remaining 1 ounce of crumbled blue cheese for extra chunky goodness. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. This dressing is perfect for salads, wings, or as a dip. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.